Monster RX 93.1 presents the Concert Series. Live musical performances at the Monster Studios by today's artists. The Concert Series. Your host, Rico Robles.
There you go. We did mention our mid-act. That was Lola Amor. I did mention also earlier that we got a doubleheader. And let me reintroduce him. We have none other than Jan Roberts, a singer-songwriter whose music captures a spectrum of emotions from the intense to the everyday moments of life and love. Currently studying performing arts, Jan started writing during the pandemic in 2020 and gained recognition through busking online. So we get to know his story as a busker. That's coming up. We got him live. Jan Roberts.
Hi, hello.
Monster RX 93.1.
So welcome to Sakit Sessions with Jan Roberts. How you doing, man?
I'm all good.
Yeah, good. Chill lang. Steady.
Medyo malamig lang.
Yeah, I know. But you're bringing in the feels, man.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.
Great music. Along with, of course, your homies in the beginning.
Yeah.
Great stuff. So how you been? First time to meet you. Kamusta? How did the music get started for you, man?
Started ako mag-cover ng songs and yun, isa yung inspiration ko nung nagsisimula pa lang or nakikinig pa lang ako sa music, Sharebound Band, yan, syempre. At yun, sinubukan ko rin magsulat at magbasa-basa kung paano ba aralin yung gitara at kumanta. Yung sa tinry ko mag-upload sa social media platforms and mag-appear busking through online like Discord hanggang sa, that was pre-pandemic and pandemic. Tapos, ayun, nung medyo pwede na lumabas ganyan, nung may mga platforms na like open mics and busking, then yun, tinry ko siya and then sa
hirap pa mag-busking sa Pilipinas. I see it kasi yung mga napupuntahan ko ng nag-busking medyo social eh.
Parang sa ngayon may gamit na
alam mo yan, no? Dahil na ako nag-busking, naka-fender, alam ko, yung gear nito mas mahal pa sa di ba? Pero I mean, when you go busking, saan yung mga usual, how do you find the place to perform?
Started, may mga open mic noon. So, galing pa akong Bicol noon. Then, kunwari may mga open mics dito, like sa Pinoval, ganyan. So, dinadayo ko talaga siya para lang mag-busking. Tas, as in yung parang ginagawa namin is traditional busking na parang walang kahit anong gamit. As in, guitar lang. Kakanta lang. Walang mic, walang speaker, ganun. So, nung una...
cellphone na naka-live, walang ganun. Okay.
Walang ganun. So, medyo nakakahiya, syempre. Pero, parang, hindi naman siya nakakahiya. Parang, nakakatakot or nakakakaba kung, ano ba yung magiging tingin ng tao kapag may random
para bang, gumigitara, and lakas pa naman. You have to have a good...
Kailangan ng malakas.
That's good training.
Bosses, so yes.
It's a diaphragm mo yun, di ba? You have to be heard across. The first time you played, ano yung na-feel mo? What kind of jitters did you feel?
Masaya ako na nanginginig sa sobrang kaba. Pero parang after ng song, medyo parang, okay na. Tapos hanggang sa, inunti-unti ko siyang gawin hanggang sa makapagsulat ng sariling song. And then, yun na, nagtuloy-tuloy na ako.
The following started going.
Yep.
And next thing you know, you hear at the radio station, man. You know what I mean?
Dream.
And pretty much your music has touched a lot of lives.
Yeah.
How does that feel? Is that the dream?
Parang full circle moments pa rin eh. Parang na-overwhelm pa ako minsan na nangyayari ba talaga to. Minsan hindi pa nagsisync talaga sa ko na gano'n na pala talaga yung na marami nang nakakarinig ng kanta na parang nakakatulong sa kanila.
At ginamit, no, sa OST, tama?
Hindi pa.
Was that the plan though? You want it to be used? If it was gonna be used, your songs, sa isang pelikula, whose movie would it be? Would it be a rom-com?
Probably rom-com yun, rom-com.
What kind of film would you want? Who would you want,
Hindi ko alam kung ano sa who eh.
Anong part ng movie yung nagkaaway ba sila? Tapos
siguro dun sa part na, more on sad songs kasi ako, pero hope core siya. So parang, dun sa parang wini-win back nila yung isa't isa. Siguro sa mga ganong type of scene siya, bagay. Yun.
So with your songs, I mean, it is painful, it is hope core as you did say. Ganyan ka rin ba in real life?
Hindi naman. Masaya naman ako.
Masaya ka.
So parang nagsusulat ako madalas ng...
So anong trip yan? Ba't ka napunta sa hope core?
Parang siya karanasan ng mga karaniwang tao talaga. Parang lahat naman tayo. Pero hindi ako nagsusulat ng pansarili ko. Kasi tingin ko mahirapan ako kantahin ng sarili. So it's either perspective mo, pinagdaanan mo, ganito ganyan. Then parang gagawin kong perspective ko yun, first perspective. Ganun. Parang ako yung nasa sitwasyon mo. Parang ganun.
Ano yung pinaka mahirap na line or stanza na nasulat mo? Na pag kinakanta mo siya, naiiyak ka. Na parang, sana hindi mangyari sa akin to.
Yung yung isa sa favorite song ko, kakantayin ko mamaya, sa Hirap Kalimutan na parang, akala ko tayo hanggang dulo, ba't ngayon nag-iisa ako? O di ba wala akong natutunan, ang hirap mo pa rin kalimutan. So, yun yung pinaka, kung paano ko siya i-rhyme na maayos, na parang ano yung magiging daan ng tao or
you
feels.
like that, man? I felt that. I'm a grown-ass man and I felt that. Ang hirap mong i-guess.
Yeah.
I mean, with that being said, reaction ng tao when you perform your songs, you know, does it validate what you write about? Like, para bang, is there a challenge ngayon that you try to outdo the emotion of the other song? Ganun ba? Or you just let the song grow on its own?
Yup, inayaan ko lang mag-grow yung song. Tapos parang masaya ako na, nakakatulong nga daw na pampakalma nila yun. Minsan kapag sa mga gigs ko, may mga talagang umiiyak sa song na yun. Medyo,
Michael Jackson moment, ha? Diba? Yun.
Ganun.
So what's the dream for you as an artist? Get your song heard with a Grammy? Go what? Global? Be the next Ed Sheeran? What is it?
Sa ngayon, ang unang goal ko lang ay magamit talaga yung mga song ko sa pelikula. Siguro yun muna ngayon. Then, sakayan lang natin kung ano yung present ngayon para hindi rin ako nag-expect masyado in the future.
So the songs you're gonna perform for us today, what are the songs?
For my next song, title of the song is Hingalo. This is a collaboration song kasama ang Sharebound, syempre. At naisulat ko to tungkol sa pagbuhos ng pagmamahal sa sarili at pagbuhos ng pagmamahal at walang tira para sa sarili. So, kumbaga, walang boundaries, parang 100% mahal mo siya na wala kang pagmamahal na tira para sa sarili mo. So, ginawa ko siyang ganun.
Solid yun,
Oo.
Because they do say love is unconditional.
Yep.
So, siguro mahusay ka magpayo when it comes to love, no?
Hindi naman.
Kasi songwriters are good in writing songs, di ba? Do people come up to you, uy, Jan, ano payo mo?
Siguro naman.
Gadaanan ako, ikaw naman. Sulat ko yan, bro. May royalties ba yung friends mo kapag nag-hit yung song ganun?
Hindi naman talaga parang mismong pinagdaraanan nila. Siguro parang statement lang. Then gagawin ko siya ng sarili kong atake. Kung ano ba may magiging theme ng song na to. Na parang, uy, ganito, galing sa taong ganito, ganyan. Pero parang, generalize ko siya na halos lahat naman ng tao na nakakaramdam ng ganun.
Okay. So for those that are tuning up, Jan, he is here. He's joining us. He's from Bicol. So, kamusta ang music scene sa Bicol?
Maingay naman siya. Marami na ring musician din doon. Marami ring mga communities ngayon na nabubuo at masaya ako.
Ano tugtugan doon?
Halo-halo rin eh. May mga rock din, may mga folk, contemporary din, meron ding mga hip-hop.
Sino yung mga acts that we should watch out for from Bicol?
From Bicol?
Like we should be listening to now, should be hearing right now?
Syempre yung mga friends ko yan, Tot Happy and Diwata. Syempre.
We had Diwata here. Yan, kanina usap ko, sino
really
Diwata? Si What Happened Bella o yung pare? Sabi niya, yung band, yeah. Kasi tatlo na yung sumisikat eh. Diba? So that's cool.
Yes.
So that's a scene that's we gotta watch out for. And ano yung musical style na from Bicol that's uniquely yours, man?
Ano ba? Paano ko ba masasabi? Siguro pagdating sa metaphor, mas folk, lalo na siguro kapag gamit namin yung lengguwahe namin or dialekto namin, which is Bicol dialect. Yun.
So do you add that on your song?
Sa ngayon wala pa, pero sa mga soon, meron na rin.
Malapit manligaw. All right, we're gonna hear some more. And then, of course, the band's gonna join.
Yes.
They're gonna be like some sort of a fusion. Then I'll jump back in after that song and get to know where to catch these guys as a gig and how does it feel for him to actually work with the band that he idolizes, which is really, really cool. This is an experience that's one of a kind. So let's hear some more. Ano yung next song mo?
Title of the song is Hingalo, a collaboration song with Sharebound.
So call him back here. We got him live, the concert series, here on The Monster.
Hey Monsters! It's Kayla Rivera. To catch exclusive versions of songs played on this episode, visit the Monster YouTube channel at RX931. That's youtube.com/RX931 and listen live on air on FM radio Mondays 7 p.m. on Monster, RX 93.1. Now back to the concert series interviews from the Monster.
Yeah, Jan Roberts, of course, Sharebound. They're here, they're joining us. They're down to their last song that's coming right up. Okay, so how does it feel you're working with them?
Ano ba? Ano bang dapat kong ma-feel? Parang noon na, ayun, hindi ko rin in-expect na mangyayari yun kasi syempre yung na-idolize. Parang yung track nila nasa movie na, OST na siya. Tapos parang,
Ikaw pala
gusto ko rin,
OST.
gusto ko rin makagawa ng song na magamit sa pelikula. Hanggang sa kinonect kami ng friend, yun, Kuya Gabs, yan. Kuya Gabs. Then,
May
parang,
hawak
yun,
na
siya yung
kape
nagpakilala sa akin
Yeah.
ng
Those are
Sharebound.
Gabs, many things are possible.
Ayun. Hindi ko rin alam. Nung una
Sausage
kong nanood
Gabs.
ng gig nila, nagdadalawang isip pa ako kung sila ba talaga yung Sharebound para magpa-picture. Hanggang sobrang bilis lang na nangyayari. Parang 1-2 araw. May gig naman ako din. Sinama ni Gabs ang Sharebound para manood sa show ko. And then doon na nag-meet. Then sabi ko, may kanta ko na isulat. Ganito, ganyan. Tapos parang collaboration song. Tapos parang, okay, sige. Tapos yun na nangyayari. Ganun nakabilis.
So, parang pag ganun ba, when you have acoustic people all together, pahusayan ba ng, how does it go, may, ito yung rhythm ko, ganun.
Hindi. Parang nangyari sa amin nun, kwentuhan sa Kohi bago sumalang. Tapos parang nag-play kami ng kanya-kanyang unreleased song that time. Yung ganun.
Deep cuts, no?
Oo, ganun yung nangyari.
So
nun.
parang incessant album of Nirvana sessions, that kind of thing. I see. So y'all got together, write the music. Is there an album on this, or is it? You had 2 collaborations already?
Ano ba? Walang collaboration to na song at sana magkaroon pa ng marami.
Jan
sa
and
kanila
Shine.
naman.
I can see it now. Live in Manila.
Share
Right?
Roberts.
Shar Robert Powers. Naging school
Lakas.
no? Diba?
Share
Pero good
Robert
luck, man.
Powers.
What's in store for you guys 2025? What
ba?
to look forward to?
Marami.
Are you here based in Manila now? Or?
Hindi pa. Soon. Graduating student ako.
Congratulations, mamala
Thank
ka
you.
pa lang daw.
Thank
Balita
you.
ko.
Thank
College
you.
to college.
Yes.
Ano course?
Performing arts. Major in
Uy,
theater.
nice.
Yan.
So are you going to musicals?
Yep. After graduating,
Wow.
music na.
As
Full
in-
time.
As in musical theater?
Theater lang.
Theater.
Theater.
Okay,
Major
okay.
in theater.
Marami tayong kilala dyan.
Pero
Stages,
halos-
what's up? You know, Joseph the Dreamer.
Yes.
Diba? So that's something. How about you too? Theater din?
Just a fan.
Just a fan. Tayo muna no, tayo magkakatabi. No, tayo dito. No.
Yes. It's the best way.
Mas
Theater.
bawal magkwentuhan live theater.
Sa break time. Yung,
Yun talaga.
ano yung tawag doon? Yung intermission. Yeah, you have 15 minutes to get back in your seats, right? Ganun lang yun.
Yeah.
Must be
15 minutes
cultured
to
in
yap.
such situations.
Oo, nagugulat ako doon minsan eh.
15 minutes to yap.
Ano meron? Ay, babalik na. Yun na yun. May second act. Well, good luck. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You guys are a true, true example that, when you look up to somebody, work hard enough, you be next to your idols,
Yeah.
and now you're here.
Saya.
Yeah.
And you
Sobra.
kill your idol.
Kaya, tuloy lang.
Hey.
Hey.
Naging wrestling
Hey.
bigla. Eh, no? And then congratulations on your graduation
Thank
as
you so
well.
much. Thank you so
You didn't let the music and the distractions, you stayed focused.
Medyo mahirap nga siyang timbangin. Pero naitawid naman.
Love life, meron.
meron.
Kompleto, di ba?
Yun masaya ako pero yung mga kanta ko daw masakit.
Oo nga eh.
Minsan
Siguro, tinatanong ka ba ng jowa mo? Parang, sorry ba? Ano ba yun?
Hindi naman.
Hindi, walang ganon.
Oo. Alam niya rin naman yun.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Shows this week. Is there any for you guys?
Meron akong show this June 13 sa Life Malate. Usad night siya. So, community night siya na magaganap. Kasama yung mga audiences at mga nakikinig sa akin, mga kaibigan. At
What's a
yun.
community night? Ano yun? Parang
gathering
ng mga
to know
musikero?
them. Hindi naman. More on, event ko siya, kakanta ko doon, pero bago yun, may mga activities to, makipag-engage sa kanila. Makipagkilala,
Galing.
ganyan,
So,
ganyan.
what do you call your fans? Community?
Yung tawag ko sa mga nakikinig sa akin is mga payapa eh.
Payapa.
So kasi nga dahil na-recognize niya yung song ko na nakapag-heal daw sa kanila, nakapag-comfort sa kanila. So parang I think yun yung bagay. Kasi sa pangalan ko wala kaming maisip eh nung pinag-uusapan namin yun.
Jan Roberts.
So yun.
Maisip ko,
Diba?
maisip ko talaga
Walang
powers.
Jan Roberts, Potterhead.
powers.
Yun lang yun lang.
At hindi katulad sa kanila, meron na silang shenanigans.
Shenanigans! Mga IG friends na tayo. Kasi gusto yung mga trip nito eh. Shenanigans. Alright. What's the next song, man?
My last song is Hirap Kalimutan. Yun yung kanina.
Pinakamasakit yan.
Yeah, ito yung naisulat ko noon na pinost ko sa TikTok nang hindi buo, yung part lang na yun, and then bigla siyang nag-bop, tapos parang doon ko na siya tinapos, and then yun.
How did life change you in TikTok? Is it big? As in a 15-second there could one riff, lyric?
Yeah, parang ano lang siya, pahapyalo siya ng isang chorus kasi hindi pa nga siya tapos. So parang naisip ko lang yung tunog na yun. Then parang hindi ko in-expect na sasabog pala yung notifications ko after noon. Tapos sabi ko, kailangan na natin i-record to, ganito, ganyan. Hanggang sa yun, nagtuloy-tuloy na. Inintay nila na hanggang ngayon sobrang lakas.
Ano follow-up mo after that?
Ano bang isininod namin doon? Song, parang after Hirap, naglabas naman ako ng love song noon. Pero parang nangyari nun, umangat pa rin yung mga old songs ko na yung Sagip, tapos yung Patlang ngayon.
So people are sort of back cataloging you now. Na para bang, okay yung mga tracks ito. Galing galing.
Ganun po yung nangyari.
So it just goes to show everything you post, people will watch once you have that one hit. Diba, yun na yun. Hey, good luck, man. Good luck to the rest of the stuff. And tips for people out there who makes music on TikTok. Ano yung mapayo mo sa kanila?
Keep on writing at whenever you're ready na lumabas sa comfort zone nyo to explore. Igaw nyo lang na igaw hanggat may motivation pa kayo. At ayun, magpahinga rin palagi kapag hindi pa talaga kaya. Yun.
All right. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We close out the show. Thank you to Sharbound who joined us earlier. Round of applause. This time around, we got John Roberts. This is the concert series here on The Monster.
The concert series. Live on The Monster.